Hi everyone! Once you actually drop a DICOM file into your browser, you need the right tool to make sense of it. Today I want to show you the core toolset in DICOM Viewer Online. I designed the interface to have exactly what you need for effective demonstration. Let's open this Brain CT. The slide scrolling is extremely smooth. Just use the mouse wheel or hold left mouse button. You can easily change the window levels. Instead of adjusting contrast manually, you can just click the presets to instantly switch between the brain, soft tissue or bone window. Sometimes standard slices are not enough. So if you go to the projection settings, you can switch from standard rendering to MIP, maximum intensity projection, MinIP or average. It's really fast and super useful if you want to highlight blood vessels or dense structures. Now, let's switch to a coronal view. Notice the crosshair cursor and intersection line. When I move the cursor in the plane, the other two planes synchronize instantly. It shows you the exact projection of the planes. I've also added the necessary measuring tools. We have the hue cursor to check Hounsfield units and understanding tissue density. We have the classic ruler tool. And if you are preparing an image for a blog post, you can use the Polygon tool to draw a colored contour around a specific region of interest. And a small but annoying problem in many viewers, text labels blocking the pathology. Here you can just click and drag any text label out of the way to keep the image clean. It's really clean setup, and again, all of this runs completely in your web browser. Feel free to try it out with your own scans using the link below. Let me know what you think in the comments.